Hey guys, welcome back, and today I wanted to make a video about something that I've been using from the longest time when I started this channel, and this is the story of 2015 MacBook Air. So this is the early 2015 model. This one comes with 8 GB of RAM, 1.6 GHz dual core Intel i5 processor, and this is a 13-inch model. Wow, and I remember this I bought back in 2017, and from that time to today this is the device I've been using literally for everything. Browsing, watching movies, Netflix, not only for that, even for some light gaming and of course video editing. So literally all the video that you have seen on this channel has been made using this very machine only. Yes, every single video, even this, has been edited in this machine. And even today battery life is so damn good. I hadn't had any issues yet, like even after 5 years of using it, which surprises me how reliable an Apple machine can be over time. Over time you expect machines to be drained more, but that's not the case here. So battery life is still on point. And also, talking about the design, well, you get one Thunderbolt port, two USB port, and also a life-saving SD card slot and MagSafe port. So in short, complete package which will work even in 2021, especially MagSafe and SD card slot. And to be honest with you, design is still very intact from me. No means it looks like a 5-year-old machine to me, by no means. And well, talking about keyboard, this is one of those keyboards that I would not like to go with. When it was new, I used to love it because it was new, but with time, it's not exciting anymore. It feels like more of a cheap keyboard because of the travel throughout the button is not that satisfying. So coming back to the design, still so gorgeous. It fits anywhere you want to. You can travel with it like very easily because it's very lightweight also. And hey, don't forget I have this glowing Apple logo. I know, right? And I will come to trackpad now because this is the thing which is great about Apple trackpads. They are so easy to go with. It's so damn useful to multitask, to browse between different web pages, scrolling over websites. This trackpad has basically got you covered. Long press to open things. Even now I don't get bored or feel any lag between doing this task. You expect a machine to slow down a bit, especially when you're using a trackpad, but no, that's not happening in this machine right now. One thing that I'm not happy from few years with this machine is bezels around the corner. Just look at them, freaking huge. They are taking so much of place for the screen. And hey, coming back to the screen, this laptop is not having a full HD resolution. Yes, earlier I used to ignore this, but now in times of OLED or even 4K screens, this kind of feels old, especially when I'm editing. I feel colors should be more sharper and also it should not strike my eyes hard. And this machine, well, it's not up to the mark in display department, to be honest with you. But hey, if you don't want crazy displays, you have TV in your house and you just want to browse all over the net, this display won't strike you. It's fine, but for working or for movies, I wouldn't recommend this. And as the world is changing, we are now all over the Zoom calls, FaceTime calls. So how does that work in this machine? Well, here you go. Nothing crazy, but hey, not that bad too. I feel this quality is way more than we need for our meets. So front camera is holding tight and firm in this MacBook Air. Speakers also plays a huge role in any laptop, and I've compared this with 2018 MacBook Pro 13-inch, and I have to say this, the speakers are good in this device. Not something that will blow your ear off, but it is more of, on that satisfying face where you wouldn't complain, and at times when you see action movies or play games, it gets louder. And well, charging speed, it's amazing too of this laptop, like it's charged so damn fast. This 2015 machine is rocking Mac OS Big Sur, and so far, performance for me, well, let's see it in two ways. First, like a normal college guy or a normal guy, for him or her, great, no lag, sometimes heat up a bit but manageable. Great battery life throughout the day, boots up like after 2 minutes, which is absolutely what a college or even a normal guy wants. And can she or he hold this machine for coming 2 years? Well, the answer is yes, absolutely yes. But in second case, someone who is into video editing, makes living through this machine, runs it all day long. So for him, this is just holding up. And can it hold for another 2 years? I guess yes, but the chances are somewhat less. And this is me. I edit every video in this machine. I run this machine like crazy, multiple tabs, opening apps at the same time, using hard disk and running Final Cut Pro. While doing all that, I edit videos in this machine and it works like champ, but only with basic stuff. When you start to add motion graphics or even just a basic title text, yes, just a basic title text, in a video, boom, it gets heated up and lags like crazy, even if you put a simple transition. So if you just want to merge videos up and edit some photos, it's fine. But as soon as you start to do more than that, it not only takes your battery life like crazy, the fan of this machine starts to blow, like you can hear the fans. And render time has increased massively. Like back when it was new, render time for a basic 3 minutes video used to be 4 minutes average. And now for 3 minutes video, it takes like 15 minutes. And I'm talking about a full HD video here. So back from 4 minutes to now 15 minutes, yeah, it's a lot of time, but I can manage that. But for whole process, it's very stressful. I hope you are getting me. Like, I'm not able to add text here, not even motion graphics. So that is becoming a thing here now. So what to do? Well, if I have to be genuine with you, if you are into video and all, upgrade to a better laptop. And if you are not a heavy user, I don't see any point to upgrade to any other laptop, and this is still more than enough for you. Only question for you is this: do you want a better screen and a better editing device? If you're confused, don't upgrade. But if you're sure, then upgrade. With that being said, I hope you all like this video, and do let me know your thoughts in your comments down below. And again, I'm AJ and I'm signing off. Bye bye.